Courtship, romance, relationship. Out of the corner of your eye, you catch something that makes you turn and take notice. You may be actively on the hunt or nonchalantly sitting on the sidelines when there's a sudden spark and you know you've found the one. Welcome to Say Yes to the Address, a Red Brick reality series presenting you with the true stories of those who have said yes to a red brick address. You'll learn what they were looking for in their perfect match and how they found love in their perfect apartment home.
Sometimes time is of the essence. There's a big date looming just around the corner, and you're desperate to find that perfect match. You want to find comfort in your new relationship and feel you truly belong together. You don't want to feel rushed, but you know that the right connection is out there, just waiting for you to find it. In this case, you have 2 weeks to find love, something that's possible when you look in the right places.
There I was, just like many others, looking for love online. My criteria was pretty straightforward, so all potential matches were delivered straight to the app on my phone. I sat down one day and swiped, sometimes left, sometimes right, until suddenly something caught my eye. There I was, staring into the eyes of a perfect 2-bedroom red brick apartment, which was charming, attractive, and affordable, all at the same time. I knew we just had to meet in person, so I reached out to schedule a get-together. Once we were in the same room, I knew we were soulmates. I felt immediate trust and comfort, and the Red Brick team member who made the introduction built my confidence that this relationship was the one for me. She'd always be there when we hit bumps in the road, or if I needed a friendly ear to share my feelings with. We moved in together very quickly, which was something I needed in my life at that time. The process was smooth, and I couldn't be happier. I'm so glad I said yes to the address.
We just love stories of a match made in heaven. Stay tuned for episode 3, Street Walking.